Hello, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a fresh trade-in we just took in. This is a 2008 Toyota Sienna with a VSL 6000 Bruno curbsider wheelchair lift. This is a cool arm that extends and wraps around the side of the vehicle to allow you to raise and lower your wheelchair or your scooter to the curb. It's got a 250-pound weight capacity. And with a touch of a button here, you can lift up and down and transfer in and out your wheelchair or scooter with the VSL 6000 Bruno curbsider. It's like a robotic arm. Pretty cool. This is a fresh trade-in. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years, and we specialize in wheelchair-accessible vehicles. This is a trade-in which we took in towards a wheelchair-accessible vehicle that we converted right here. We offer Toyota Siennas, both rear and side entry. We offer also Dodge Grand Caravans, Chrysler Pacificas. We have Chevy Silverados that you can drive from your wheelchair or drive up a shotgun and it's a passenger. We have GMC Yukons, Chevy Suburbans, huge selection, hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles, cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. This is just one of many, many options we have here. This is only $13,995. It's a 2008 model, dual power sliding doors. The Bruno VSL 6000 curbsider wheelchair lift. That hook there, you just attach that to your wheelchair or your scooter. It just lifts it right up, the push of a button. It's a nice option here. Low, it's very low priced, low, inexpensive, only $13,995. We have a huge selection. A lot of our vehicles are like brand new. There's 2016, 17s, and 18s. So many of our options are $39,000 and $49,000, $59,000. If you get up into the Suburbans, they up to $79,000, $80,000 on the Suburbans. We also will convert your own vehicle. If you have a vehicle, we will convert it for you into a wheelchair accessible vehicle. So ask us about that as well. Give us a call with any questions. It's 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA. We've been in business for over 30 years, and we specialize in wheelchair accessible vehicles. Rear entries, we have super wides, which have the industry leading 48-inch wide entry ramp, which is pretty amazing. We have Chevy Suburbans and Yukons where the whole entire vehicle, the whole side of the vehicle deploys. Check out our YouTube video to see more walk-around videos of our really cool Suburbans and Yukons and Silverados. We've got some amazing vehicles here. And we have 10-year finance options as well, so you can get some really affordable payments on some of these vehicles. You'd be surprised. This is a very clean trade-in. Just took it in. Clean inside and out. 2008 Toyota Sienna LE, only $13,995. Fresh trade with a Bruno VSL 6000 curbsider wheelchair scooter lift, 250-pound capacity. If you're interested in this vehicle or would like some more information about our wheelchair accessible vehicles, give us a call. Toll free, 1-800-625-6335. We're in Battle Creek, Michigan. We offer free in-house demonstrations of our wheelchair accessible vehicles. We offer coast-to-coast delivery for an additional charge. If you're interested in this vehicle or any other wheelchair accessible vehicle we might have in stock, give us a call. 1-800-625-6335. Battle Creek, Michigan. 24775 is the stock number. Give us a call if you're interested. 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day.